Hello guys, Montgomery, and today I want to get you an update on this door closer at the Fort Neaches baseball diamond. Well, I found out the brand new closer. I'm going to have a little challenge out of this. If anybody can tell me what the CRP stands for, I will really be much obliged. Even though I already know what the CRP stands for, I'm just asking this question to my other door closer enthusiasts out there who might know what it is. Fun part, demonstration. We're going to demonstrate. So now that the wind isn't blowing as much, it's easier to demonstrate. Open it again. And I lubricated this latch because it was having a hard time latching. We'll give it one final time. And the wind's blowing a little bit, not enough now. Alright, so that will be it.